Hi, my name is Jessica McCall, and welcome to Brockwell IT Consulting's webcast of the Autodesk Telecom module. We will be presenting several sessions on the Autodesk Telecom module, and during these sessions we will cover all the main features of the Telecom module. We will go over the main navigation and toolbar, which will be very familiar to AutoCAD Map 3D users. I will show a demonstration of the filtering and query features available to the user, and I will also point out some of the features of the Telecom module, as well as give a tour of the special fiber ribbon that is included in the Telecom module. We will cover the connectivity editor and how they can assist in maintaining a proper fiber model, and we'll go over the possible workflows available for the Telecom module and demonstrate some of their functionality. Finally, we will also demonstrate the reporting functions and diagrams that are available. The Telecom module solution is an add-on to the AutoCAD Map 3D and provides the Map 3D user with a fiber industry model that is not available out of the box in Map 3D. The solution provides a model for end-to-end physical circuit from the central office to the premise equipment with full connectivity. The Telecom module is designed to have the same look and feel that AutoCAD users are accustomed to by providing ribbons, toolbars, and other standard features of the AutoCAD family. The Telecom module is created to be completely database-centric, and all the data for the cables and equipment is stored in an Oracle or SQL Server database. The user can customize the model to view the data and attributes according to the drawing standards that are enforced by the database rules. Reporting, naming of features, and display styles can all be customized, and labels can be created based on actual feature information. In this session, we will cover the main navigation and some basic functions of the Telecom module. The main navigation in the Telecom module is almost the same as in AutoCAD Map 3D. The user is presented with the same main ribbons and tabs, and there is a fiber tab that will be covered later in the series. When viewing the imagery in the Telecom module, the user is allowed to view the data styled as preferred and rendered into AutoCAD Map with layers for the raster images. The user can zoom in and get a better view of the imagery with the fiber facility data overlaid on the imagery. The task pane on the right is the display model, which shows how the data is visualized. It defines how the data is presented on the screen and can be customized for the customer or a particular user. Style editing can be accomplished in the display model task pane and can be done in real time. Changes can be made to the color of the line and the line style, among other things. On the left-hand side of the screen is the Industry Model Explorer. Several views are included in the Industry Model Explorer, including showing the data model and the hierarchy of the facility's data. Workflows are also visible here. This is where there is a lot of action. You can have built-in processes for creating structures specific to the user. Reporting and traces are also triggered from the Workflow section. The Structure Object Browser shows all the information about a structure on the map. The user can click on a structure and view information related to that structure. By clicking on it, we can see everything located at that structure within the Structure Browser. You can see the 222 main, and within the structure we have enclosures, and for the enclosure there is a room, and then within the room there is a cabinet, and in the cabinet there is various equipment. Tooltips can pop up to provide additional information, and all the displayed information on the tooltip can be customized. Moving on to some of the basic functions, we can bring in many types of data into the map. To do that, you click on the data icon and you can see all the different types of information you can import. There are many different ways of aggregating the data. Today we are going to bring in a shapefile, and after selecting the shape connection, you select the folder where the shapefiles reside. Right now we are going to bring in property information, and it will load everything in the folder selected. After naming, select Connect, and the data will be added to the map. The data is overlaid on top of the existing imagery. The order of visibility can be changed and the new property information moved down so it's not blocking the fiber facilities. Being able to view property, tax, or other imported information with the fiber connections can provide valuable insight into all the design possibilities. The layers can also be made transparent. If you click on the layer and select Edit Style, the Style Editing dialog box appears. This will be where the user can change how the styling is viewed. Select the style for the polygon, and there is a transparency property. This is changed to 50%, and then all the layers are visible underneath. With the layers visible underneath, external structures and physical markers can be seen with the fiber map. Thank you for joining this session of the Autodesk Telecom module webcast. Please view our other sessions to discover additional features and functionality of the Telecom module.